Welcome to our channel, BMWworldstickers.com. We have plenty of videos and applications for our different models. That goes back from the 800s to the latest models of the GS 1250s and the Adventures as well. Please visit as well our website. Prices and everything is there, well explained with all the videos with the links of it. Well, this time is a new idea that we are going to bring to this family of our website, the R1250RT. Is this case to protect different parts of this bike. We have two models that we are working with, the R1250RT 1920 and the 21 on. In this case, this video is for the 21 on. We only sell the headlight part protection film for only the 21 on, and as well the left-hand side of the actual headlight. For the rest of the bike, with the models that you will see the link videos as well, we provide for the 1920. Please visit. We have lots of PPF for the tank and as well for the stop suitcases. So, what we are looking at here, we are looking to a headlight being protected from light minor scratches. Please bear in mind, if a rock is gonna hit the headlight, this will not be enough to stop from breaking, but definitely will help against gravel, salt, petrol, stone chipping, a minor stone chipping. But let's gonna go back to this product. First of all, you need to clean the bike. Bring a bit of alcohol, pharmacy alcohol, to clean from residues that sometimes we use on our bikes to make it shine, but sometimes then it doesn't help when we are going to put a product. So it needs, in this case, to be cleaned properly. After it's been cleaned properly, it's time to use this amazing product. It's called PPF, Paint Protection Film. The aim of this amazing product is to protect the painting and parts of your motorbike from external agents as minor stone chipping, light scratches, gravel, and dirt from the road. As well, protects against salt, petrol, oil, etc. Characteristics of this product is resistant to yellowing, totally transparent, and as you can see, very easy to install. It's easy to remove as well at the time that you want to sell the bike if you wish. Going back in how to apply it, it is a very simple idea. You will use a spray water container with a ratio of 500 ml of water and a tea-half baby clear shampoo to create thickness. And the rest, this is the result. I hope you like it. Please visit our website, BMWworldstickers.com. Safe rides, and above all, Great adventures.